Hello, onion update. Top of the bonnet has been all shaped, back in epoxy, ready for a light rub back and some high build prime. And then it'll get the wild violet and the black lines. Boot lid, just finishing stripping back down. Oh, look at that! Holy jeez! Whoa! Look at that. We've got it out in the, well, we can't say the sun, but we've got it out of the shed so we can look at it in its glory. Wow. Yeah. Don't worry, Atric's going to paint that black. It's all good. Yeah. Even with a layer of dust and stuff on it. Looks awesome. With the mags as well. Yep. Oh yeah. Isn't that funny? You can see the fluoros flicking from here still. Look at that. Got these nice big fat tyres on it. Nice big fat tyres that we've actually done like a mini tub to get them to fit. This is another thing we've got to finish properly. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's pretty mint. This thing's going to demand its own presence on the street. Oh yeah.